One of the fastest ways to age after 50 is carrying everything yourself. Servant architect leadership keeps you young by teaching others to lead, so your body, brain, and nervous system aren't stuck in permanent overload. Instead of rescuing, reminding, and reacting, you design clarity, roles, and systems that let people think, decide, and act without you hovering. Your stress drops, your sleep improves, your energy returns, and suddenly leadership feels lighter instead of draining. When you lead others to become leaders, you reclaim time, reduce cortisol, and protect your curiosity and joy. Staying young isn't about doing more, it's about building people who can carry the mission with you. That's leadership that preserves your energy and your years. Please follow me. Blessings.